Hello everyone, welcome to the Web Certification Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to go over several updates in Dotsama ecosystem, including the Paraspace Finance, Exosama, Astar network, and also Governance 2.0 in Kusama. First of all, Paraspace Finance, their sister project, Paraspace, they have a new Discord server now. So for all of you, if you are already in the Paraspace Finance Discord, you probably want to join the new one because over the previous week, there are 60,000 people joined. So it's so crowded now. That's why they have a new server. And right now, the testnet campaign is still going on, and a lot of users, they already have the paraspace NFT, the roles, and the traveler and the explorer role in the Discord. You still have that. You just need to join the new Paraspace Discord, and while you join that, you will have the opportunity to get the third NFT in next week. There will be a community call, and they're going to draw of 10 randomly 10 settler NFT to those people who joined the new Discord. And in the future, all of the announcement will be on the new Discord. And the new Discord right now, they are under restructuring, so probably need to wait a little bit time, and you can explore the new Discord. You need to do the verification and everything. Now the second one is about the governance version 2 and the runtime upgrade. The referendum 244 already passed recently, actually yesterday or today. For those of you who are not familiar with GameFI, I would recommend this article. It actually describes all the details of the governance 2.0, and it's really the decentralized governance ever we can see. And so I will post a link. The Exosama, the poop, they have the conversion. Now you can migrate that to the Sama. So if you are not familiar, Exosama network, they have the white paper. This is the one NFT project that enable Web3 capability for the Minecraft gaming field. So it's a gaming NFT, and also they have music, and it's a very big project in the Dotsama ecosystem. Recently, you can start to convert your poop token to the new Sama token. Just need to log in, use your email. Now I have a little bit poop, and there are different ways that you can import that to the game. I will just demo that. Actually, I didn't play this game, so it's almost like burning those tokens. But I would like to show you how it works. So I just burn my token, approve that, and now you will send it to the game. So you have to play the game in order to migrate that. I don't recommend. If you don't play the game, you should not do that. This is just for the demos. I would like to show you how it works, and how the token burn would happen. And so this is the first thing. Yeah, you can see that now it's 100 poop token. Now we already send it. Now we will send it to the game. So now it's done. So it's burned in the game. So since I didn't play the game, but you can see that now the token is there. It's just in the game. You cannot export that to the wallet right now. So you have to play in the game. So it's a in-game items now. This is a poop. But for those of you, if you want to directly migrate, you can do it here, on the website. There's a migrate button. You can just spend a little bit on transaction fee using Glimmer, the Moonbeam token, and then you can migrate. And this is just a simple way you can convert your poop token to the Sama token. All right, so now you can see that. But for those of you, if you really want to see that, you can go to your MetaMask, and then you need to click the MetaMask. They do have a add network here. So here you should click add network manually and put those information. So I will just post that as well. So you will just see, wait a little bit time, then you will see all the Sama tokens. So I already converted like 100 Sama token now. So all of my poop token is gone. Now I have 100 Sama token. And so this is just a way like to show you how to migrate. Now Astar Network, they make a big achievement. There are over 18,000 unique DApp stakers. So I think this is a big achievement for the Astar Network. Congratulations. Astar Network, they also have the Candy Girl NFT. That it's a very famous NFT. It's on Tofu NFT website. And you should check this Twitter and like and retweet. And I actually made a video before talk about this NFT, and now they are on the auction, and you can see that the first one, there are 3 hours left, and the top bid is $2,700 already. So for this NFT, so you can see how like famous this NFT is. Alright, so overall, just talk about several updates in Dotsama ecosystem, including the parallel finance, the paraspace, right? Paraspace NFT test network campaign is still going on. So if you are interested, don't miss that opportunity. Exosama, you can convert the poop to the Sama token now. Astar Network, they have made a big achievement, and also this those Candy Girl NFT. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.